सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। फिट इंडिया स्कूल वीक सेलिब्रेशन में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सप्ताह का आज तीसरा दिन है और आज के दिन की गतिविधियों में ब्रेन गेम टू इम्प्रूव कंसंट्रेशन और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग कैपेसिटी इस विषय पर श्री रवि खंदारे सर टीजीटी मैथ्स के मार्गदर्शन पर हमारे विद्यालय के छात्र विभिन्न प्रस्तुतियां देंगे।
My name is Piyush Watt. I am from class 9th A, going to solve this Rubik's Cube. To solve this Rubik's Cube, first we have to make a plus of white. We have to make plus of white like this. Then we have to match this centers of all colors. We have solved all the centers. Then we have to solve this corner pieces, this all corner pieces. We have solved all the corner pieces, you can see, and we have got a first layer. We have done first layer. Now we have to match all these colors with this center color, all these sides with the center. We have to match all these sides with the center.
मोबाइल अभी लगाया था किसी नीचे अंदर वाला
We have got a second layer also. Then we have to match these center pieces. We have matched the center pieces. Then we have to make plus like this of yellow. Then we have to match these corners, these all corners. You can see our cube is ready. Thank you.
I'm Isha Pendekar from Kendriya Vidyalaya ND Karanja class 10 and I'm here to give you some information about chess in the occasion of Fit India. So let's begin. This is the chessboard where I have placed all the pawns, kings, knights, queen and rook and bishop. So we have basically 16 in each team, 16 pairs in each team. As we can see, this front row and this front row is full of pawns which have 1 points. This and there and there. These are rooks. Basically, these have 5 points. These are knights. They have 3 points, and similarly, these are bishops, which also have 3 points. The queen has 9 points, and the kings is the end game. It is a two-player strategy board game which is played on chessboard. a checkerboard with 64 small squares in it. Play involves no hidden information. These modern rules for basic moves had been adopted in Italy and Spain. Chess is a mind sport where the outcomes are determined mainly by mental skills rather than pure chances. Thank you.
My name is Barsarani Gujri of Class 10C. I am taking part in Virtual Fit India celebration and I am going to share a brain game with you all. This is a simple maths brain game. Here's a question for you all. Try to solve it. The question is, what number should replace the question mark? 1 is equal to 4, 2 is equal to 16, 3 is equal to 64. And now we have to prove that how we got this answer. Here's the answer. When we multiply 4 with 1, that is 4 to the power 1, we get 4. Again 4 to the power 2. Here we can see 4 into the power 2. We get 16. 4 to the power 3. We get 64. Again 4 to the power 4. We get 256 as answer. So here our maths puzzle is solved. So 256 should replace the question mark. Thank you.
बच्चों, अब इस गतिविधि के बाद अगली गतिविधि है पोस्टर मेकिंग कंपटीशन ऑन हम फिट तो इंडिया फिट और न्यू इंडिया फिट इंडिया। इस विषय पर श्री सुमित जायसवाल सर टीजीटी आर्ट्स एजुकेशन मार्गदर्शन करेंगे।
Good morning students. Today is the third day of our program. As per program, we have poster making competition and slogan writing as a part of advertisement. For class 6th to 10th standards, we have poster making competitions. Only class 9th student can also participate in slogan writing competition. Children, you have done posters many a times. Posters are illustrations similar to painting, with some slogans and information. They create immediate impact on beholders. The topics are Hum Fit to India Fit and New India Fit India. Advertisements are pictures, slogans, writings, appeal people to do something. The topics are Hum Fit to India Fit and second topic, emotional and physical well-being are interconnected. While making posters or slogan writing, you are going to record a small video, just a clip, not more than 2 minutes, and a JPEG image of your painting with name, class, section and school is to be sent to your class teacher via email or WhatsApp. So children, so all the best for your competitions. Now you can start with your activities and I will be waiting for your posters and slogans. Thank you.
बच्चों, इसके बाद की गतिविधि है प्रिपेयरिंग एडवर्टीजमेंट ऑन हम फिट तो इंडिया फिट। इमोशनल एंड फिजिकल वेल बीइंग आर इंटरकनेक्टेड। इस विषय पर श्रीमती तृष्णा डोंगरे मैम टीजीटी मैथ्स आपको उद्बोधित करेंगे।
नमस्कार। स्वास्थ्य ही है असली सोना, इसके बिना है जीवन भर रोना। वर्तमान समय में हम जहां एक और कोविड-19 की समस्याओं का सामना कर रहे हैं, तो वहीं दूसरी ओर ऑनलाइन माध्यम के द्वारा अध्ययन और अध्यापन कार्य कर रहे हैं, जिसका परिणाम स्वरूप हम कई प्रकार की मानसिक और शारीरिक समस्याओं को झेल रहे हैं। हमें यह विदित है कि जब तक हम मानसिक और शारीरिक रूप से स्वस्थ नहीं होंगे, तब तक हम एक खुशहाल जीवन व्यतीत नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो आइए आज हम प्रण करें कि हम अपने शारीरिक और मानसिक स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखेंगे और अपने स्वास्थ्य के प्रति जागरूक रहेंगे, क्योंकि स्वास्थ्य है जीवन का सार, इसके बिना है सब बेकार। हम फिट तो इंडिया फिट। धन्यवाद।
फिट इंडिया स्कूल वीक सेलिब्रेशन के तीसरे दिन की गतिविधियां यही समाप्त होती है। अंत में आपसे निवेदन है कि आपके गतिविधियों की बेस्ट 2 तस्वीरें और एक वीडियो की जिसका लेंथ मैक्सिमम 2 मिनट होना चाहिए। ये सब अपने व्हाट्सएप क्लास ग्रुप में कक्षा अध्यापक को भेजेंगे। धन्यवाद। फिर मिलेंगे। शुभ दिन।